Hi guys, this is Miss Dewey. I teach kindergarten at Barnett Elementary. Today we're going to do another number bond activity, and this time you need to go ahead and have it printed off on, you could get it printed off the computer, or you can just draw the circles by yourself. Your mom and dad can help you. Okay, these are number bonds. Remember, the big circle equals the whole number, and the two smaller ones are called the parts. So these two parts are going to add up to this bigger circle, which is the whole. Okay, so in this fun activity, you will need two dice. If you don't have dice, you can use number cards like Uno cards, but you'd have to kind of pick through them and make sure they don't go too high. So normally we just go to 10, but the exciting thing about using dice is we might go up to 12 if we get two sixes. So let's see what happens, guys. So you roll the dice, and I got a 6 and a 4. So I write the two numbers in the two smaller circles, 6 and 4. I wrote a 6 and a 4. Now I'm going to count the dots to see how much that equals. So I count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So guys, my answer is 10. The whole is 10, and the parts are 6 and 4. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Let's try another one. This is fun. 3 and 2. 3 and 2. Alright guys, so I write my 3 in the little circle and my 2 in the other little circle. See that? There's my 3, there's my 2. Now I'm going to count the dots. Watch me count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is my sum. Sum is the word that we call when you have two numbers, they add together, and the answer is called the sum. Okay, guys? So I have 3 plus 2 equals 5. This is my whole, this is my part, and this is my part. Alright, let's do another one. I like teaching new words to boys and girls. Here we go. Whoa! I got 6 and 5. I want to show you something about adding dice or counting, adding numbers together. Sometimes instead of counting all the dots, we can just count on. So normally you pick your biggest number and you just say that number. So this one, we got 6 and 5, so 6 is the biggest number. So let's just say 6. Ready? 6. And then we count on. What comes after 6, guys? 7. So I say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and my answer is 11. 6 plus 5 equals 11. All right? It's hard for me to see. There it is. 6 plus 5 equals 11. Remember, 11 is the whole. 6 and 5 are the two parts. Or I could say 6 is an addend and 5 is an addend, and the sum is 11. Those are just big fancy words. You don't have to use those words. But it's fun to learn new words. Let's try one more, guys. Alright, I got a 6 and I got a 2. So I'm going to write my 6 and my 2 in the parts. 6 and 2. 6 and 2. Now I'm going to count the dots. Remember, if you don't want to count all the dots, you can just say the biggest number and then count on. The biggest number is 6. What comes after 6? So I just say 6 and then I count on. 6, 7, 8. So my answer is 8. Boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed learning how to do number bonds, make number bonds with dice. Just a fun little activity you could do, and you could do it over and over again. You can even go outside and do it with sidewalk chalk. Just make a big circle and then two little circles with little lines connecting them to the big circle. And you can do number bonds all by yourself in your front yard or wherever your sidewalk is by your house. Guys, I hope you have a good day today. Bye.